Well, you never know where a renovation project is going to take you. I am at United Rentals today. We got some excited dogs along for the ride in the car. And the reason for our trip is we are finally taking the plunge with the electric jackhammer. And there you can see that monster in the back of my truck. Handcart to carry it around, and we're going to head over to the project and see how it works. Okay, we are on site. We got the jackhammer loaded up, and we have a couple of things we want to accomplish. If you look over here at this piece of sidewalk, that's just a hazard and it's not doing anybody any good, so we want to get rid of that. And then here, this sidewalk is falling apart also, so there's really no need to have that. We're just going to break this up and get rid of it. But here is one of the worst ideas I've seen in any property that I've visited. This is a fish pond. If you look, it's got a nice sharp point for someone to fall on top of and decide to sue their landlord, and then also it fills up with water, so it's just sort of a breeding pond for mosquitoes. So that's our task for today.
So when it comes to fixing up houses, there is nothing stopping David Keel, as you can see.
Number one rule with the jackhammer: make sure it's not resting on your foot when you pull the trigger. All right, here we go. Break it up into nice easy pieces. We can just throw them in the trash can and get rid of them. Okay, this only took about 10 minutes, and we are surveying the carnage of what used to be the sidewalk, and it breaks it up into nice little pieces, and we can just over the next couple of days get that into the back of one of our trucks and get rid of this whole sidewalk nice and easily. The challenge that's lying ahead still: the fish pond.
Yay!
You get it?
Yes, I got it.
Well, you know how it is with jackhammers, folks. Everybody's got to get into the act.
Oh, sir, get me in a bad spot there. That's embarrassing.
I think you got it. You got it.
You got it!
Tammy Alexander, ladies and gentlemen. David Alexander. Oh, I'm tired. It's been a long day of jackhammering. Just going to show you what we ended up with. Here's my beautiful Toyota Tacoma pickup. Most of the concrete that we jarred loose is in the back of my pickup, and I'm going to make a tour of several super cans who are close personal friends of mine in the city of Richmond. Here's Cole. He's hanging out with his dad today as his dad works. Here is the what we ended up with the fish pond. We're going to leave that the way it is and then fill it in with some dirt from David's basement. And as you can see over here, where the sidewalk is no longer, it's still a little treacherous, but there are no jagged cracks in the concrete to give someone an excuse to sue their landlord. So there you have it. The end of the long day of jackhammering.